a beginner's guide to investing and making your money grow. In this video, we will show you how to invest money and make them grow. We will introduce the different types of financial investments so you can choose which one is right for you. Welcome to Stocks Galore, the place for those in passionate pursuit for investments and personal finance. Smash the like button now and subscribe to the channel to be notified when new videos are released. Investing is the act of committing money or capital to an endeavor with the expectation of obtaining income or profit. The time has never been better to invest now. The stock market is at an all-time high. There are so many great deals on offer, and you have so much time to make your way up the financial ladder. But investing isn't always easy. There are so many things to learn before making any decisions about how and where to invest your money. You need to know about portfolio diversification, different asset classes, and how much risk you want for your desired level of return. What are the three main types of investments? Investments are an important part of any business. One should not confuse the word investment with the word speculation. Investments are about earning a rate of return on an initial capital, whereas speculation is about guessing how much an asset will be worth in the future. There are three main types of investments: equity investments, fixed income investments, and alternative investments. Equity investments are about owning a company's stock or becoming part owner of it by buying company shares. Fixed income investments involve lending money to someone else for a set period of time at a set interest rate. Alternative investments can include things like hedge funds and private equity funds, which typically only wealthy people can invest in because they require large sums of money up front to make large returns down the road. How to create a long-term investment plan. A long-term investment plan is a detailed investment plan that is made up of 5 components: personal risk tolerance, time frame, asset allocation, stocks and bonds. The time frame is the length of time for which an investor wishes to invest in a particular asset class. The risk tolerance is determined by the amount of money an investor will put at risk in order to earn a higher return. Asset allocation defines what percentage of total funds will be invested in stocks and bonds. How much money should I start investing? Investing money can be a little intimidating for some, but it is important to learn the basics in order to make better decisions in the future. The most important thing to remember when investing is that it takes time for your money to grow. It will not happen overnight. Start with small amounts of money and increase your investment amount as you become more knowledgeable about what you are investing in. With that said, one of the best investments anyone can make is their retirement account. This will help ensure financial security later in life, so it's an investment worth making. How to manage risk and protect your investments. Investors, whether they are individual or institutional, have to manage risks in order to protect their investments. There are various ways of managing risk, and the investor has to decide what kind of risk management strategy is suitable for him or her. The risk management strategies discussed in this video include diversification, hedging, and maintaining a portfolio with a mix of securities. Here are 5 steps to help you make your money grow and reach your financial goals. Money management can be a difficult task. The following steps will help you take control and make your money grow and reach your financial goals. Step 1. Start saving money and learn how to budget. Budgeting is an essential part of our day-to-day lives, but many people are not taught how to budget. This can lead to major financial issues down the line. Budgeting is a simple way to save money and help you avoid wasting your money on items that you do not need or want. It also helps you plan for events that are coming up. Step 2. Start with the basics: mutual funds and exchange-traded funds. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds are 2 types of investment vehicles that have been around for decades. Mutual funds were the first to be introduced, and ETF followed a few decades later. Step 3. Build a portfolio of diversified investments. Building a diverse portfolio of investments is a great way for any investor to have an adequate balance of risk and return. For investors, this may be the first time they've been exposed to this type of risk. However, as long as it is done with moderation and consideration for other factors, such as the need to keep some funds liquid, diversifying an investment portfolio can be very beneficial. Step 4. Look for opportunities outside of North America. The North American market is in its late stages of maturity, which means that small to medium-sized businesses will find it difficult to enter the market. As the demand for goods and services in North America rises, they're becoming more expensive. The population of North America is also decreasing because there are not enough jobs available. Step 5. Track your investments and create a strategy to help you achieve your financial goals. You need to write down your goals. What are you trying to achieve financially? What are you trying to achieve in terms of your career? It is also important that you know what your current financial situation looks like. You should have a clear idea of what you have, how much debt you have, and what kind of savings account balance. This will help give clarity on the steps that are needed for success. The next step would be to create an investment strategy for yourself. That way, it will be easier for you to track your progress towards the goals that were set up beforehand. You should know that investing isn't just about the size of your portfolio. It's really about growing it over time. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to the channel to be notified when new videos are released.